Alright guys, welcome to the third part of this video where we talk about how you can literally right now from where you are use 2 tools in 3 steps to transform your business to the tune of making sure that you automate 90% of your business. Yes, to the extent where you can automate 90% of your business with System AIO and ChatGPT. And this has been the step-by-step guide. We have had 2 other videos where I showed you everything about this whole stuff, right? And this is the last video in the series. And I told you that when it comes to running a business, it's not that easy. You need a landing page, right? You need funnel, you need different stuff in order for you to run a business. You need an email, right? You need customer support. The list keeps going on and on. You need landing pages and all that. And if you want to do this in yourself, in this age, then you are doing it wrong. You must learn to use these tools. And we discuss about how we can use System IO to create landing pages. Now, in the second video, we now talked about how you can leverage on ChatGPT, right? To actually use it to create all the content you need on your website, including your customer responses in the form of FAQ, frequently asked questions. Now is the third part of the video. In the third part of this video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can automate everything, and this is where you actually make money. Because without this part, there's no money. So let's go into our System IO right now because we are done with ChatGPT. If you've not watched it, please go and watch the video, the previous videos I did. Go and watch them. This is the website we have been working on. It's the landing page. And if you want to know how to design landing page, this is not the video for the design. This is the video about the concept and how it is being used for the purpose, right? But it's not a designing video. I have a lot of video where I show you how to literally edit all these things step by step. So you can go watch that particular video. So this is what we are doing. If you click here right now, you will see the sample of how the website looks like. Very neat, something very simple. The goal is to collect people's contacts, right? Join us and win. And if they come here, the moment they put in their information, it takes them to a thank you page where they will see, we tell them thank you. They should check their email for whatever it is that they sign up for. In this case, it's the checklist, right? I can't do much of a dummy here. In this case, it's a checklist. So let's go back to our design. Now we have everything figured out. I want to show you something very important. This here is so important. When they click on this submit button, it takes them to the next step. By default, the next step is on your design funnel, which is like the thank you page. Then this is where you add the automation. You can add it here, or you can add it in the back end, in the other side of the settings of the funnel, and I will show you now. All right, so let's go to it right now. Let me show you where I'm talking about. So let's go to this place. First of all, let us set up our thank you page. By default, this is the first part. When somebody comes here, after filling in his contact and the name, they will get a thank you page. This is the place we set up this thank you page. Now, I will just look for any template that I think is okay. Let me just go with this one. It's simple. Select this as my thank you page, and I will have my thank you page link. Download page or thank you page. This is good. I put the address, thank you. Just say thank you. You say okay, no capital letter. Don't forget that System IO does not allow capital letter. So small letter. Okay, let's use, I already have this. Let's use something else. Thank you page. Let's see. Okay, good. This one allow us. So we have the first page that they will go, they land on. This is the landing page. This is the second page. This is the thank you page. Now let's see how it flows now. You click this place now. You want to view the site. It will show you this part of it. You will see everything. You will say, okay, what is my name? You put my name and populate my information automatically. Name, phone number, everything. Just click here and it will submit. You see the thank you page is showing now. Thank you for your reservation, whatever you need to customize this stuff, whatever it is that you want, just customize it and you are good to go. And the customization is literally the same way you do your normal designs, where you just go there and you edit. Now, the question now is, how do we automate our sales up to 90%? They came to our landing page. We use ChatGPT to create the copy. We have the copy on the landing page. They give us their email. What do we do with it? That is where the money comes. So let me show you what to do next. We need to go set up the rule. Anytime somebody clicks here, click on this place, it takes them to the landing page that is already sorted out. But now we receive the email Let me show you the place where you receive the email. We receive the email, but what next? Look at the leads here. If you go to the dashboard on your funnel, you will see, look at the first email I just entered now. But this email will remain here until we do something about it, right? Until you do something about it. So what do we do now? We need to come to automation rules. Anytime somebody gives us their email, we want to send them information and begin to create rapport with them until eventually they become our client, or maybe the email will just deliver whatever thing they ask for, and that is all. This is where we do it. You go to automation rule. On automation rule, you will see add rule. When you click add rule, it will ask you, what do you want, right? There must be a trigger. Something must happen. You have trigger and you have action. Let's click trigger. The first part, you see funnel step. When you read there, you will see what it says. It says, this occurs when a contact has been subscribed to the form. That form here, this particular form that we have here. When somebody fills information in the form before coming to this place, what do we want to happen? That's what this thing is asking us. And it's very simple. Whenever somebody gives us their contact, what do we want to happen? Okay, now this is the trigger. So watch me carefully. This is the funnel we have created right now. Remember, when somebody gives us their contact on this particular funnel, group coaching, they go to the thank you page. Then the question is, what do we do with it? We have gotten our trigger. We need the action that need to occur. Once we collect your email, there must be certain action, right? I collect your email, now do this. What do we want to happen? We want them to be subscribed to a campaign, or unsubscribe them, or add them to a tag, or remove them, or send them email. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Send email to a specific email address. If we have a course, you will say enroll them in a course. This is so powerful. This is where the automation occurs. Revoke to a course. Send a webhook. Grant access to a community. Revoke access to community. Enroll in a bundle. See, look at them. Revoke access to a bundle. Add a pipeline stage. You see? A ton that you can do here. So much. So if we already have a campaign, we can just subscribe them to a campaign. If we already have an email, which in this case we do have, we can send them an email. Now let me show you what to do. You click send an email. Already, if you want them to receive an email, you already need to have the email created so that they can receive the email. In my case, I have a couple of emails I've already created, so I can just select this particular email and automatically, and they will receive my free download. But guess what? What we did was that we created an email sequence. An email sequence is a series of email over 5 days or 7 days or 5 weeks that they will keep receiving based on certain instruction that was given. And that is what sequence is all about. And the goal of that sequence is that they should continue receiving email without me waking up every morning to go send them email automatically. And if you want to do that, you will not use this action. This action is for one-time email. So let's cancel this action now and go back to the other action that we want to use. This is the action. You subscribe them to a campaign. Now, if you click here, it will open and it will ask you, where is the campaign? Here I have a lot of campaigns here, right? Let's assume this is where the campaign is. Inside of this campaign, you have that 5 emails that we generated from ChatGPT. Remember, we used ChatGPT to get 5 sequence, and we already have those 5 emails here in an email campaign. Now, I think let me just go to my system IO. Let me show you how to create a campaign so that you can put them. But it's assuming that we already created this campaign in our back end, in our email part of ChatGPT, and all you need to do here is to just select. The moment you select, start receiving emails on autopilot, right? Even though this video is not about how to create an email campaign, but let me just go. I have a video that explains detail how to create an email campaign that you can just plug in here. But let me just go and show you. After this, just click save the rule. Now, from now henceforth, any lead you have will automatically receive emails continuously, depending on what you have inside of your email campaign. Let's go to this email campaign. Go to your email here, click on campaigns. When you click on campaigns, you will see series of campaigns, right? The one that we ask the stuff to do is the one that have is business. But here is 21 business idea. But look at, you can see here, you can create your own campaign. Let's click here and we'll create our own campaign. Demo checklist campaign. This thing is very simple, but it will shock you. A lot of people are not doing this. So we want to send emails. Here you have a sender email. The email you want to use to send, you will select the particular email and you can put your description, right? Let me just use any sample stuff here and let me just go. So let's click. Now we created our campaign. This is our campaign. Inside your campaign, you will now create various emails. When I click my campaign now, I can see my campaign. Inside of my campaign is empty. So what do I need to do? I just say create. When I say create, it will ask me, I want to create a campaign step. I say yes. What do? I come here now. I will start to create campaigns. I start to put in all the various information. Let me show you how to do this step. Go back to your ChatGPT. This is our ChatGPT. What is our first email? Our first email is this, right? Welcome email. Copy this first welcome email. Go to this place. Put the subject. The subject is about welcome and delivery. So, and this is our sender name. Let's use business checklist. Then we just click save. When you put this information and you click save, it will open an interface for you where you can now put the information you want to put. Remember, we already have this thing. So we are not thinking about it, or we are not trying to just come up with something. So just come here, copy the subject. What is the subject? This is my subject. Just copy my subject here. Go to where I have subject. I just paste the subject, right? Go back. What else do I have? I just copy all the information. The video is not about creating campaign. I'm just showing you. So here you just paste this place here. Paste the information here. And you want this place, hi name. It will automatically pick in the name of the person. That's why we ask them to give us their name. And if you want to get the proper information, that will select their name. Cancel this. Come down here. Let me show you something. Cancel this. You can see there is an insert button somewhere. Let's see, insert. So you click on this available personalization here. You will see different type of personalization you can do. We want to do the name personalization. I want to call the person first name. I just copy this in here. Boom. Paste it here. This place that we have hi. I just put hi with the names like this. And it will automatically pick the person's name and send the person's email. Here, I can have the link to my download or the checklist. I just put the link to the checklist here. He can just click and download. Now, I have another video where I focus on only how to create this email, how to write an email sequence. You can watch that particular video, but this is just a structure. So you can see everything here. From here is simple. Now, after you create this, you just click save. When you click save, you either click save or you can just click to publish. And when you are publishing this stuff here, you put the date, when the time you want this stuff to go. And in my own case, this is immediately. Let it go immediately. Somebody sign up, right? Today. So immediately the person sign up, it should just go 0 days. And just click activate, and it will activate this. Anybody that give me their email, they automatically receive emails. Now see where the next magic is. The next magic is that after you create this first email, you can now create the second email. Let's exit. When you exit, it will show you that you have one email number one. What you want to do, you want to create email number two. Now, email number two, we can just put our email two and just click here, put the name, business checklist, and you say save. And the moment you save, it will open the box for you properly. You go to your ChatGPT or to your Google Doc, copy email number 3, just like this. This thing is so sweet and it's very easy to do. But again, people don't do it. So paste it here. You can even paste your preview here, just change it a little bit, add a preview, then copy the information inside of your ChatGPT. What's your second email? Copy everything. Just do the same thing I did in the first one. Let me just copy a little of it and take you here, come here, paste it, customize it, right? Customize it with the name just where I showed you. Come to this part here, click available personalization substitutes. Copy anything that you need here, name, phone number, you can put it and it will show here. Then this is what I want to show you. What I want to show you is in this publish. Save and publish. Save and publish, it will bring you to this place. This is where you create the automation that we are talking about. You will say email will be sent after what? After the first email. Look at the first email is showing here now. After the first email, this email that I just created now should be sent. But how long? Let's say 2 days. 2 days, if it is 2 hours you want, you can select here and you see hours and minutes. But the first email should go immediately. The second email should go 2 days after I've sent the first email. So whenever you download this stuff, this thing will kick off automatically. And I'll just say activate. So now I set up this sequence. You download the first email after 2 days. If I say 3 weeks, it will send the next email after 3 weeks. That is how you will keep setting up this sequence. 2 days, 4 days, 5 days. I have a video on how you can do this, the sequence and everything. So if you are able to get this done, I'm telling you, you just create yourself an automation empire that will literally help you make money on autopilot. Because it's the same thing. I say it all the time. It's the same thing. All we need to do is we need to have a product that we want to sell and give people something of value. And this something of value, we are going to give it to them for free. And once we give them something of value for free, the next step will be to add them to email campaign. Right? To email campaign. The moment we add them to email campaign, they will become our friends. Right? This is our friend zone. They become our friends. Now we are talking. We are discussing. Before you know it, in that campaign, there will be what we call an offer. And it's in that offer that we sell our product. So nobody sells their product immediately. You must build relationship. And guess what? To do this whole thing, it will take you time. It will take you a whole lot of time. And you don't have the time to be doing all these things. That is where this video comes. That is why I'm showing you how to automate the entire process. So guys, if you enjoyed this particular kind of video, let me know in the comment section so that I can keep doing videos like this on how you can level up your game. And recently, I've had people that have been asking me, how do I make money online? I want to become a freelancer. And how do I get also remote jobs? So I want to deviate a little bit. And instead of teaching you too much of technical stuff, I want to start showing you how you can turn these technicalities into making money online and how you can go about them, even how you can go about learning some of the skills that you can use to start making some money, either through affiliate or through working for somebody using remote job platforms, right? If you know you are interested in this, guys, let me know, because I'm committed to making these videos to help you and to show you how to make money online. See you in the next one, guys.